Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a meeting note in your account on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are meeting note templates if you don't want to start with a blank page or create that meeting note yourself by adding items and tables to it. Let me show you how to do that. So navigate to Microsoft Loop. Next, navigate to one of your workspaces. I will go with this one. Next, create a new page here on the left-hand side, and you will see the untitled page here. And at the bottom, you will see these templates. You may navigate to the template gallery here. However, guys, if you already see the meeting note suggestion, select it. And that is going to add a meeting note template like this. It is fully customizable, so you may change the title. For example, oops, excuse the typo here. And yeah, you may use that, for example, to enter the topic of the meeting. If you're meeting with your gaming buddies, for example, you may add the names of the attendees or invitees here to that table. These tables are customizable as well. So if you'd like to add more columns and rows, do that by clicking into this button. Give the column a name like, I don't know, if it's a game, for example, and you may add also a new row here for more participants or gaming buddies, and fill these cells with value and content. After that, you may go through these options, add a notes, for example, or if you would like to do this as a checklist, simply press enter to skip to the next line, enter the command / and you may add a table of content, for example, to your meeting note and move that table of content to the top, just below the title, and release your leftmost there. And what you want to do after that is, for example, add tasks to your meeting note, and last but not least, add more tasks with a due date, with assignees, and also relevant links. Enter the link here, and after that, for example, I don't know, let me go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. And you may highlight it, for example, and add the comment to it, and so on and so forth, guys. So let me skip to the next line and enter the command divider, for example, or link, or I don't know, you can go with any of these. Just select your command here. And that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some better from it. And we'll see you next time on our channel.